Okay, so this is a video tutorial about how to choose a template for Shopify, and I will try to be as quick as possible and to show so many things I can. But it's quite complex to show everything, so if you have any questions, just ask me on the comments or contact me on my website. I will be more than happy to help you. So the first things, the platform where to buy the template. So you don't have only the Shopify theme store, which you probably already know. Is this one is the default store of Shopify. You will see then the templates are quite expensive. It's $180 more or less, the paid one, or you have the free templates. There is another solution that actually for me is the first solution. Is a Shopify, is Envato Market. You just have to Google Envato Market Shopify template. I will show you. Envato Market Shopify theme, and you will see it's called Forest the link because it's one branch of Envato Market. Here, when it come out, the result you put sort by best sellers, so you will have the best template of all the one availables. And here we go. Here is the place where honestly I will look for the template first if you don't go for a free one on Shopify. Now, how to check the template? First of all, being really quickly, I like the sectional template. What is a sectional template? You see that here, for example, Ella said that is a sectional template. Not all they say that, but you need to try to check or ask them if it's a sectional template. Sectional template is this. You see, this is a dummy store that I was playing around just to show to my clients some things, but you will see, I can show you here. You have gallery, you move it on the top, and you have the gallery on the top. You can move it where you want, and you can add a section. All of those are sections, then you can add and drop inside. You see, now it's displaying here. And as a developer, after if you on the future you need to make your store bigger, etc. One developer, for example, so my clients, they ask me to add section, to create new sections, so they have the possibility to add new things if they want. So I will look for those kind of template. How to check them? You click on here. So let's make one example. I will show you Ella and Fastor, and we have Ione as well. So I will put it here. Okay. So Ella, this is the page that will open. So read all of these things because they're useful information. And here is telling you that they have new demos. So if you click, we'll open the demo, you see. And it gives you all the information. Now I don't want to show you everything because it's a long text. But to see the main demo, just click on here. You will open the main demo. And here it opens the demo that I opened before. Okay, so this is the main demo of the Ella. You see that is like a really commerce website template. Now, the elements that you need to see. So now let's go to the demo of Dublin is so Brooklyn, sorry. So I can show you the difference between those two. So what you need to check, the header. Sometimes they have different header, the demos. For example, Yone, if you check on the documentation, will show you that they have different kind of header. So check those layout, because if you don't, for example, you buy this template and you don't totally like this header and it have only one option, you obviously is a problem this, so you need to be sure that there is at least one option that is near of what you like. Other hiding things, changing colors, all of this stuff is inside the customization of the template. So is inside this interface that you will have here with all the theme settings. So you can change the color, you can play around. This, by the way, is Ione, this that you see. Now, see the elements that it have inside the page. Okay, so you will understand if this suit your needs. And so for example, here I see all the elements that they have, so I can think, okay, this I think will suit my needs. Why I tell you that? Because I give you an example. You don't like the header, and you buy the template, and so the things are two: or you adapt to the header that they have, or you buy the template and you know that the header is the only things that you don't like, so you will engage a developer to change it and make the layout that you want. Obviously, this is an extra work on the top of the template. Everything can be changed, by the way, so it's not a problem. Now, the second page that we need to check is the collection page. So now, for example, we go here, we open this. Here we open a woman, and in Yona, first to open a template, and after when it opens, I will show you. So you see, this is Ella. This is the filters and collection page. So you see, it's quite complex. So this is the one of Brooklyn, way more basic, but it can suit your need. Obviously, this you need to check it. You need to be sure. Then those pages, they suit exactly what you need. Otherwise, don't select the template. Go for something that have the majority of the things and they are as you want. Because, for example, just to give you some numbers, to make again and to redesign the collection page of one template for a developer is a minimum 10-hour work. They can go from 10 to 15 hours or up to if they're more complex designs. So it's not a really quick job. So it's better if you already have it with a template that you buy as you want. So same things you see here is like that. Same things is for the collection page. Sorry, for the product page. I will show you this product, and I will show you one product with variant from Ella. Apart and even this I forgot all those quick views, all of those things you will see. Then those usually comes with premium templates. They're all features that are not with free templates, and they're different between templates. You will see them here. If I open one collection, sorry, it goes around. If I open one collection, you will see that they're all different. Here the filters are like that, but there is a second option with the filter on the left. You have the quick view here. You have the wish list. You have the countdown. So you see, each template has its own different features, and you need to look at. Now let's open here a product as well, so you will see. Now we open here product with variant. Now other things that you need to check if you're gonna have variants or not. If you have variants, remember that it's important to have switchers well made. Here now they put this bright color, but you can add custom switchers. So that means that you can upload a custom image, piece of image. So you can put whatever you want. Basically, those are the default one, are bright like that because it uses the default colors. But you can change them. Same here. You can change them with custom one. Okay, so don't have those. But with this, you see, you have the basic square with the name. So then this is a bit less dynamic. So if you need the switchers as well, choose a template that have a good switchers. Otherwise, you will need to develop them as well. Here, if we change color, it changes the image. No, it doesn't change the image. This can be a problem, or can be that it's set bad on the template. So yeah, I will go to try with other templates, with other products, to see if it's just a template missing the image or not. Here, if I click, it doesn't change as well. So strange, because this I know it changed. So let's go to here. We go to vertical gallery. Those are the different layout of the product page, and we try again with a different product. So yes, it works. You see, it changed. So I know that here the switchers was good. So if any switchers is a good starting point. As well, the tabs. If you have a lot of information, you need tabs. Look for things with for the product with the tabs, and check that the tabs are controlled from the product page and not from the customization page. That means that if it's for customization page, it's controlled for all the products together. If it's the product page, it's controlled one by one. So each product can have a different tabs. This you can ask to the developers of the template. You can send them a message asking how they work the tabs. Okay, so this is more or less how you need to check. Remember, the more work you have to do, some more things you have to custom change from the template, higher will be the price of your website. More than you find a template that is perfectly as you want, and less will be the expenses. You can check the other pages as well. Blog, for example, you see how they lay out the blog. If you want to add blogs, you say, okay, I like this. How I work, for example, with my clients, they tell me, okay, Marco, we like 90% of the template, but the blog page, I want to have a grid layout. I don't like this. Okay, so they will reduce the work just to change in a blog page instead to have to change a lot of stuff. So that means that it remain only a 10% of customize out of the spec of the template. Or you can decide that you adapt to what it is and you leave it how it is, and you reduce the cost at the minimum. So you can have or do it by yourself or have web designer that do it for you, and it will reduce the just time to setting to make the things display well, or to add some minimum code of CSS just to control some aspects that maybe you can't from the customization section of the website. Okay, that's all. I hope this can be helpful. I try to be as quick as possible. If you want any more information, write me, and I will be more than happy to answer you.